This is called First Rain. Unbidden, unmade, unasked, rain, the changing of the seasons, falls like heartstrings, warps that the slow, gray, unyielding rivers are woven of. Rain of the birds flocking to flow, rivers in the sky, rain of uncounted myriads of small black eyes looking south. Rain that makes us turn to comfort in houses and cherish again warm food and small fires. I age a year at the touch of the first cold gray rain. And if there is a baptismal prayer for the first rain of autumn, I pray to change to an autumnal life by nature